evening, everyone, and welcome to the annual Eyes in the Night at the beautiful Deshonic Recreation Area. Joining me tonight is my sidekick, Bailey the Bald Eagle.
Yes, thank you, Captain America. It's so nice to have a sidekick that is also a comedian.
All right, there's only one way to solve this. Rock, paper, scissors.
Bit of an issue here, Cap. I don't have fingers. Obviously, you aren't the brains of this operation.
Well, obviously, you're a bird.
Smooth one, soldier. Where were we? Oh yes, this will be an action-packed evening filled with superheroes of all shapes and sizes. Some wear costumes, some you may find in your backyard, some may
Carry really awesome, indestructible shields like mine. This is why you are the sidekick.
Oh boy, a big shiny hubcap. Not very impressive.
It's not just some shiny hubcap. This is made out of extremely rare metal. Due to my super soldier serum, I am able to throw the shield with incredible force and accuracy.
That's cute. I don't need a super duper alley-ooper shot in my tushy to make me accurate. I grew up on the wild corridor of Iowa. I catch fish swimming below the water. Bald eagles can reach speeds of 45 miles per hour. When carrying fish, we can hit 30 miles per hour. No superpower is needed, therefore, you should be the sidekick.
Oh yeah? Well, welcome to the gun show, baby! This super soldier has super strength.
Another perk of your special sauce. Well, guess what? An eagle's gripping power is 10 times greater than any human. Our wings are so strong we can fly with a fish at least equal to our own weight. It's been reported that a bald eagle was spotted carrying a 15-pound mule deer.
Huh, that's actually very impressive.
I know, I'm pretty impressive. And this is why you're the sidekick.
Oh yeah? Family and friends will come together to wander the candlelit trails and enjoy the beauty the night has to offer.
You know, Cap, you got a cute little wingspan, but you have nothing on me. Check this out. Yeah, that's right. 7.5 feet, baby. Definitely not sidekick material.
You know, Bailey, I think you are leader material. But seriously, let's talk about the feathers. Bald?
Old-timey saying referring to Whitehead.
Have you ever thought of the Donald Trump look? It's probably the most impressive comb over of all time. I think you could pull it off.
Yeah, no. You can stop talking now, sidekick. I think it's time for these people to head down the trail and for us to sign off. This is Bailey the Bald Eagle with my sidekick,
Captain America, who is completely capable of being a leader, but is being very nice. I'm signing off.
Oh my God, what are you?
I saved the world, and yet no one knows who I am.
No, seriously. Are you like a hybrid, crossbred firefly? I mean, your glow patch is misplaced and your exoskeleton is definitely different.
Well, nothing gets past you, Firefly. However, I am the Iron Man. You may have heard of me. I have occasionally saved the world.
So, are you a firefly like me?
What do you think?
Well, let's see. You do have a light source, but it is typically further south on a firefly.
Well, this is embarrassing.
Ooh. And our light is cold, but yours feels warm. We don't put out heat with our light. That is wasted energy. Also, a little fun fact, we are actually beetles, not flies.
Then why are you called fireflies and not fire beetles?
Ugh. I don't know. For the same reason we don't call you Steel Guy or Hard Metal Soup Dude. It doesn't roll off the tongue. Nature always seems to know best. Often, when man tries to or duplicate nature, we fail. Our light is useful in many ways, and most importantly, to find a mate.
Great. This is exactly where I did not want this conversation going. The birds and the bees talk, and beetles and bugs. whatever, with a firefly that talks way too fast for me to understand.
Yeah. So anyways, the males use their light to let the females know what's up.
Since this conversation has no end in sight, I guess I will humor you. How do you make females know what's up?
Great question. They flash them.
Well, that is one way to handle that situation.
Yeah, it's great. We girls love it. They flash their lights so we can find them, and, well, the rest is history.
Flash their light? That makes much more sense.
And they can flash them in different patterns, like flickers. I lost my glow stick. Or like, what's up? What's up? What up? Or even like, hey girl, so you fly. Hey girl, you so fly. Whoa, wait, did you see that?
What? What?
I think I just got flashed. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot, but before I met you, I was on my way to find a flasher.
What did your parents teach you?
So, I have a confession to make. I am very easily distracted. Ow! Oh my gosh, did you see that owl fly by?
Distracted? No, not you.
Anyways, I better be on my way, and we need to send this group on to the next skip.
Well, happy trails.
Bye!
Hey, Hope, what are you going to do today?
Well, I was thinking, Roberta, the pickerel frog, I was going to go for my trip to the beach, but I almost didn't see you.
Oh, yeah? What are you going to do there?
Well, I can't say. I know I need to go before I turn green again. I just can't control myself sometimes.
So you're just going to disappear on me?
Well, you disappear on me all the time. You're so tiny and hard to keep track of.
Maybe you're just not looking in the right places. I'm a frog, after all. Just check under rocks, down by the river. Gee, Hook, I would think that someone with your brains would know this, Mr. MD physicist.
Listen, bird brain. Frog brain. That doesn't make any sense. Anyways, I couldn't find you. It made me sad and irritated. You know what happens when I get irritated? Well, what about last winter when I was looking everywhere for you?
Well, I was around. I was like down by the river.
Your tiny brain must not be understanding me. This is Iowa. This place turns into a giant snow cone.
No way, smart guy. You see, Hook, during the winter, my body almost completely freezes so that I can survive until spring, and then we meet again. You should know this. You are supposed to be one of the most brilliant scientists of all time.
Oh, well, yeah, I did know that. Thanks for reminding me. So you want to get some food before the big trip to the beach?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, can you not do that nasty frog thing with your tongue again this time? You know, it's so gross.
That's the only way I can eat. Did you see these hands? They're not exactly made for a fork and a spoon. My tongue works so much better. It has a sticky substance made from mucus that helps me catch my food.
Ew.
Even better, my tongue isn't even attached at the back of my throat like yours. It's attached to the front of my mouth, which makes it easier to put my tongue out.
Well, it's still gross, and it irritates me. Wait, how are you even talking then?
My mouth does.
Oh.
Hey, Hulk, I heard when you turn into a Hulk, you can jump really far. Is that true?
The big green machine can jump out of the Earth's atmosphere if he needs to.
No way. I feel like you and I are so much alike. Did you know that I can jump 36 times my length?
I was saving a guy and I was blasted by some gamma radiation. This mutated my genetics. Now when I have a rush of adrenaline, I Hulk out.
That's so cool. My body secretes chemicals that protect us from predators. It's not a pretty sight to see, but boy, does it get the job done.
That's pretty cool, Roberta.
Ooh, a snack.
Oh, I hate it when you do that.
Oh, he's turning green. You better get out of here.
You're kidding, right? Do you not read the Gotham Gazette or watch the news?
You look like a man dressed up in a bat costume. So that's pretty ridiculous. Oh, wow. Sorry about that. I just didn't know grown-ups still trick-or-treated. It looks like a high-quality costume. So, did you order that off the internet?
It is not a costume, it is a uniform.
Uniform. Nice. Are you pest control?
Heck no, I'm a vigilante.
A what?
A vigilante?
Is it a drink from Starbucks or something?
A vigilante. I save people. You know, I clear the streets of bad guys.
So that is pest control.
I guess it sort of is. Why are you so interested in pest control? Is that what you do?
That is exactly what I do, and I'm the best in the business.
Really? How so?
Well, us bats eat about 600 to 1,000 insects in just 1 hour.
1 hour? Wow, you are such an efficient little thing.
Well, actually, I am called a big brown bat. There is a little brown bat, but they are my cousins.
What a descriptive and original name. So, we are both in pest control and have bat in our name. Do we have anything else in common?
Well, we are different mammals capable of true flight. So your wings have to be there for more than show, huh?
Hey, I can move from building to building. Building to, if needed, when my cape is out.
Oh, I believe that's a thing called gliding.
Well, aren't you all technical? At least I don't have to hibernate all winter.
That is true. I just look at it like if we work so hard in the spring, in the summer, in the fall, that we can just have winter to recover.
I guess all the seasons to sleep through. Winter would be the best.
We roost in caves, underground, or in other places that won't freeze for the winter. Some bats do wake up because they don't work hard enough and eat enough bats during the warmer months. Those bats don't have enough fat storage to make it through the winter. That's not my enemy, though.
What is your enemy? Mine have been the Joker, Bane, Riddler, Two-Faced Scarecrow, Mr. Freeze.
Well, actually, our greatest enemy is a fungus that causes a disease called white nose syndrome.
I am guessing it affects your nose and turns it white.
Exactly. The fungus grows on us bats in the winter while we are hibernating. It starts to kind of itch and it wakes us up. The problem is there are not enough insects in the winter, so we starve to death. This disease is a huge problem for us.
Without you guys out on the streets, we will be in a lot of trouble. I am sure glad I decided to mimic something as awesome as a bat.
Thanks. Now, next time you look up in the sky and see a bat flying around, you can thank them for all the mosquito bites they saved you from.
Awesome. Bats really are superheroes. We hope you met some amazing superheroes and animals along the trail today.